Hello YouTube, this is Alex from Astro Pyrotechnics. Today we're going to be taking a look at these death shells, death canisters, whatever you would like to call them. They say death shell. They are 5-inch canisters, 60 grams maximum power. There is 24 that come in this kit. These are by Dynomite fireworks. On the back here, got each effect that comes in this kit. I believe these are, hopefully these are going to be based off the 2018 versions. I know the 2019 version of these has, the shells are numbered with each one, and those ones were a little bit watered down compared to the original 2018 shells. But open a box here and take out a sleeve and see what they look like. Okay, this is one sleeve. You get a fiberglass tube, and you get 6 canisters that come in one sleeve. We'll go ahead and open this sleeve. Like I said, they're 5-inch cans, and it looks like they are not numbered at all. Plastic top. They're not numbered at all, so the effects are going to be probably pretty random. Six in each sleeve. There's 4 sleeves in a case. 24 shells to a kit. Take the tube out here and show you what the tube looks like. Doesn't even say death shell, it's nice wrapped. It's got the logo on it. And that's about it. Nice fiberglass, though they rounded it off, which is very nice. So we will take these out to the shoot site. I think I'll only shoot off 5. I think I'm going to keep one for a shell comparison video with some other stuff that I have in my stash for a later video. So we'll take them out and shoot 5 of these and see what they look like. Alright, here we are out at the shoot site for the death shells by Dynomite fireworks. This is going to be my Labor Day, or this is my Labor Day special video, was getting these shells for you guys and being able to shoot them off. So the sequence of order I'm going to do these, I'm going to do 1 and then 1, and then I'm going to shoot 3 at once for a finale. So they aren't labeled with effects. There's no numbers on them anywhere. So kind of a mystery. Going to be a little bit of a mystery. So we're going to do 1 to start, and then we'll do another 1, and we'll do 3 to finish. So we're going to get back for these ones. I've only seen these shells in video. I have not seen these shells live. So really hoping these are as good as they are advertised. Oh yeah, definitely some hard hitters. All right, got another shell, another death shell. This is just gonna be another single, and then we'll do 3 at the end for a finale. So get back for this one. I really like the symmetrical break the first one had. So hoping for another good symmetrical break for this one. Do you think that one was louder than the first one? Definitely glad about these shells. All right, final 3 shells of the night. Got them all twisted together. Hopefully we can hit all 3 at one time. These are going to be the final 3 shells of the video. Hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is going to be the finale of this video. These are the death shells by Dynomite Fireworks.